for a higher GC News. Mima Obibia Aquaba. Latest hot. And kwa Aremeyaw bro. Now sana something in Abebaro. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Now while I give video don't give us a thumbs up. Not fee. Share na wo foforoso na we be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom afi yehwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so yenti eye samkomo eye sansemo ya ba beto ya moma yenti dia ekoso yenti ensemo no
wonne honorable Kennedy Agyapong ba ha se me bi so odo nyina tsena same class wo kire wo economics ma wo kire literature nti eye den na wo mate pa wo yonko classmate e pe di bia bi se ya unfa will support eternity MPN na we say Dr. Bawumia.
Well, nyame ni penim me nkan tro say me ne Ken Ofori Agyapong our problem. No one. Ne mom empenin die no eniama bebre ne ade ye. Mi suro papa na koma. Mi suro say nyame ehun ye mobokura obetumi abo bi o cabinet. Yes. Papa no niya koma.
How well do you know him?
I know him like this.
Me
say the temperament. And maybe kura ebetumi asi parliament no any pictures no. Oni Krofo and tokwa. And na bibie no wa beka say Ken nyabotre na yemfe nkoboko onum me si edwomu na ne niam apie adia ye kontokwa dem onum yo ene wo TVB metio mu program so meti kwa say o ene kura de yisifo ene nkomo a won dio on peso won wi ade na ye start here no
so o say hunu me painti 2023 de year no
ade na si ye
o say wale obodin
say
onya 92 ye try na ba no obi wia e be share bottom the papa Akufo timi to ababa se I believe say what says answer
me say send your man nyina enye no kure owo on agents wo bibie no a oyɛ ya MPP ye ya ade no a ye pese ye wi ama Bawumia obi no pese o wo say plan no am obi a okura na agent wo bi kura chebi na ka de chebi de ka na ka bi ko wi egu mu chebi na agent ni wo enti mama ye careful
enye ne temperament ni ade wugina so aka say
of course we say the temperament of a president obi o shock absorbers me ka chiro enye obi a obelieve say na de ono obi wasem no nyakora one ne be kontokwa enne eye den enna yes me classmate say ka make say enne me so me di na chi na on chief of staff mfa ncheme ba bia madui den na utumi betumi aka say enne de unya akora obeyi obi e wodwom afedi ye nim
so obeyi obi
oh yeah so obeyi obi caustic language insulting behaviors for opening ba show man so until them feel say you pay to me e be a poor man so your businessman on your business kasi e pa na say you combine competence, temperament, intellectual prowess, vision.
Don't you think the temperament can be managed?
How do you do it?
So
how do you do it?
How
do you tame it? Baby, I will do it. Oh, now bet me at telephone. To me, if you said, I dear crowd, cano, a offensive man. Oh, one didn't actually be the you go to say, I said, they are even afraid of what he can do. Of course. And then
the obit me,
and then what me, I can catch it. Private conversation to me,
talk of a private conversation. I don't see now. Wouldn't share or Heathrow Airport, Udi a former president and another Akufo Addo attempt otchere no. Mama
Kasemba.
Now him so be keep on
Mama Kasemba control. Mama Kasemba. A year a tra any fapem. Many a compare Asia Heathrow Airport need be discussed and Akufo Addo. In fact, if it is true, say na Asia Heathrow and I mean a Kasana made in Akufo Addo attempt. And I want my PR to confirm how loose a cannon is. I just say me no share them na ye din komo. Ye di obi nkonkonsa. If I should go and air it, say oh menu hye ho na edi ko ka we ho asema na ekire onipa su ene ne ban oye he can't even excuse me say contain confidential exchanges say oto na mo ka obi ho asem. That's the first point. But uncle for passport no mra no won kire date no miss me ko fan passport mra ne yan kire time a yes stamp mu say na o Heathrow airport enya no correct
woni ni share wo Heathrow airport
ni share Heathrow airport ye discuss na Akufo Addo
no mo share ho da ba
mo kaida say share ho da ye share Heathrow airport men ka say be share akompra ko Heathrow airport ye ben ya onka okasa ho mo ye no na oba mo nchen a eya mo exact evidence no say how say na Akufo Addo me na medi na de say time no na me campaign man no bisa the whole Ghana abrante ba ko campaign man na Akufo Addo so me the president of Ghana if you say fear you freedom no na dankwa declare say the Gold Coast is ready for independence 4th of August 1947 it was open Ochini bi enu ha watumi afra konya no 70 years down the line like the Babylonian captivity na nado epie etimi mfa ma hoden ma na nado na medidi na atem kire akompreko se de be na meji afri mu ejenja no kure se meni ni hia wo Heathrow date ben ya onka year ben ya
okay honorable me pese wo home so na yenhwe sede honorable Kennedy ohene Agyapong ka asem no yenhwe besan basisia
tia minimum nyansa chero so minimum nyansa chero and go to be minister da the way OCDD Akufo Addo atem akire mo Heathrow airport no one say any woni na niso a Akufo Addo government obaji minister. I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not
to Bianca de
Bianca but me statisa me fire they'll run away evidence I'm the back maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once I touch hand here, me catch you say Heathrow airport. Onipa no ko jina ho se menti brofo. Obi a menti brofo. Between talk a dime.
Okay. Yo ebusia fo nti asam a honorable Kennedy Agyapong ka ye o se won se attaching ade. Ma kire mo se Heathrow airport among the whole world benya baby anka say Heathrow airport.
A trouble a tourism guasi ka ho. Okay, say only obi share Heathrow airport. Is that a proof that you met? Want to prove asiana? What is the evidence you support for this nonsense? If they share or a troka, casa troka, say Heathrow airport, Michiano, and Anami did in Akufo Addo attempt. Is that evidence? Say as more can oh, so how? When? On for passport to Ram family and so to the enchile so in the years so you ever say yeah turning in ano you would a hono a big show and maybe I return the and stamp. What is the meaning of that? Oh good in one man say oh good in one man say and net the a near my over fire and yamia and yami ho me who need me over to me a fire me need to Akufo Addo atemon chere no no any 3 months am worker and then afa no obeka anka asase mu hia no a because me campaign Emma Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia no onpe afa no obeka
omo awoda
me atache a emo abe no de ama me se e de be na o de ache me se me mfa na me ni madwenbo me atache a be sire ne madi onkofo a won kiu ekohu no so omo a me ka ho bi
omo a wo bibia mu sikamu
bibia da omo a me sikamu da on che me ade bi da mama e de no de ache me mate asembi na me say oh Ken Onyakopon mo a wo na ne wu ko edie wo akasa the 9th commandment no na wo brichi the won susu anso ma say me to atachia na Ken ohini Agyapong ekope the 500,000 United States dollars ekoto property ma me atachia say me mfa
mbacho wadaro ma home so na yentie eno so de okan.
I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Bianca de
Bianca. But me statisa me fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once that touch and here, we catch us at Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? Say me do try. I don't think I'm because at Heathrow Airport. Obia dear. Onipa no ko gina ho sementi brofu obi amenti brofu between to a dime $500,000 before time AU village at the chew ema woji rent or chihime and a native or $4,000 amount unyanza we obrofu ni na hala obi amenti brofu to be to dan no reaction na no ko high no ni office or high o mu to amano me man $50,000 but I leave it to fate.
Okay, yeah, was for honorable attention. It is our claims we and do you think say ayo?
I am guase man one kasa. Say the title deed no way. Away. If you're not touching me lawyer ni between baby. Na Kennedy Agyapong after 500,000. So two fia mammy. Akufo time away village. Title deed no way. You know no. If you know way, who to fia chobi. What you say? Onim baby if you know. Campese men so my title did no na my lease am osage for am wati for the penny onum say ochehene baby a obetena ye no ye wadabraka himfie boko time no na ochema wadabraka himfie ana no for Atta odi kan to esi ho e dey no because na dey baby am ti ochehen kra bia oni baby tena na yato AU village acheme atachia na fe de malizi ya mo chen here me $4,000 aya tro me nim ni o kan wasem kra me wo fi a me nim ho wasem na de no won fa me title di mre me if you know we mama baby a me nu ya kompra kokon o hwe ni ye kakra ya tra obe fire de en o the evidence bi kire o se wo ne oto ade ne kura ema me no we ni vendor no oto ade ni free ha na yesan de paper no ba me dimu a enemi kura me paper enemi de sabe to bible say mini property bi AU village ana osagefo owuye bisa no ote ase say me lease efie no ma no a me $4,000 osagefo eko lease ni fie say efie bi so obi od be receive the visitors I mean it is more kanyina eya toro ka on fa evidence ba ko nkyere mo ene Ghana for obetumi a mesra no say baby a all no o reduce to me edidi president no obe fire den wabusuam for obe fire now they are come NDC say NDC menya ahoden wabusuam for na is that a presidential material you want to destroy your own so that you become prominent. How would that happen?
Oh no, but in a way, more hurt no. Dodo we say ohune say me boa nipa enye mai me ankasa me nkro for me die mu na me die mu enye me. Yes.
Mama, me ka chiro nyame oso say me attach here baby a me do sese what you say. Me nye tenant, I mean here law office. It me pay rent advance. It obe boa me 50,000. Say the entia. E tro. E tra eyenum kwase ma no kura so woka asem say atom so see enu nyonko adanse krum the 9 commandment no and why e won so so ma no say me kwa ko akompra ko say me hia $50,000 say me de ye de me mu bra
na wo hu ne say de won so say say ye de ne call president and say bi o call AU summit obekwa ko to blue na no so hu ne say enye no kure ya
na wo de hu enso obeto ifra no pa ono kra wo he ya wo ne ka se onti asem obeka so obe fire de en wo hu obi a ohwe man so na keka eni ni su no man se ye be hira so o megina ho ma man ne da o ma be ne yesa wo di hu ne pese ba wo betumi aye factory fine now no wadwuma aye fo apre so fine but factory yo does not translate say you have the qualities and the capabilities of becoming the president of a nation.
So you don't see any qualities in him, like presidential qualities?
I don't see presidential qualities. I can see him that he can do some businesses. Businesses are over exaggerated.
How?
Because and nobody saying na a friend saying factories do do ahen na no afa was 19 e 19 factories we una ne wo se wanyanya ansan foforo a wakofa kube ato wo se kube nie na yebetumi anya we afiri kube ada na de wonye kube etumi eboa nation ada na de wonye enti ebi kwa de wo campaign ni lo be ka say ene na offer trade minister o new presidential material
o say trade minister
of course so una o products abebi ho
also ideas and say ideas now you can implement it.
Yes, the ideas now, you know, how far have you implemented it privately? The track record is there. I feel Miss Local as a mechanic, my factory is do well because I'm here. GR rebelled me. I think about be Dimechi. How can a man be afraid to expose his success for scrutiny? How? What contradiction is this? It's a minimum baby who are working. Before the team say, Papa, is he sure he wants to become a president? But Mama, basically, don't sabbat to Bible near. Say me attaching her. Many fear will AU village. Ya mini ni pen.
No, but him so don't start to Bible. No, so say what more would that?
Or more me. If I dare be what they bought me $50,000 an hour. Now me would have parliament crowd and now me need $50,000. Why? Why is he lying like that? Said there now 50,000 me want tell me na me hear them me compare rent advance na and me hear 50,000 free one the patcho make me a catch roll play enkofo bi didin nsam a me nka ho bi enkofo bi agi ni sika me attach ya me nka ho bi me mbrage say me do akira ba me nya la sulila a me ko be deep politics ni adi na enkofo be ni me before me baba politics na enya dia me ko ken Kennedy Agyapong kwasrens omuwame na me fe sika nye bibi me se ene se ayi studio ha o reduce studio into a conveyor belt no be kan bia na mama nako mo ma ne fatality di no be kirebo eti frɛ no se title deed ne watache adimu AU village no on ma mo copy na mo hwɛ time otoye ade no se check na o use on show the bank account se 500,000 no baby friends vendor no wa kotu aye me say mama mum putu akompre kutu street proof the baba be the whole pay say papa we o person be kan okore na say wo pay na ana wo to medika na for say baby e kon moawa you don't need these tactics say tactics we en go say
is it because now no or ne Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia kwa kensie o support Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia ntina na mamu hu ne flows na obi beka say time on na one year say wo pe you know person wo ye flag bearer no or ye president no dey na in a way bi o can be na say against NDC in say na mo you comfortable
no mama obia ne ne su ene ne ba na ho so wonum tapes wo me nuen ho
tapes
yes historical tapes ene ne ma wakeka what you say. It has nothing to do with Bawumia. I don't know ni sooner ne buying and no capture publicly. As soon as bani bi wa on the see. Hey, obi nim sa takra or temperament da. And to maba studio hey, bi di we atem, bi di ma atem, bi di asofo atem. Hi na.
No, ni so say no in a way no. Good say e be hu say ni pass message ni suni say no te dan say obeye katasumu mu aso na ave we echo bi kon na say sa na wote e tumi na wo penti na wo abre ho ase ye nukuntu na so nte no so mum so ye bad
we we nu hu sin bibia say wani tua say we die ja aso so won ko Jubilee House how are you going to do it who to me control no I'm telling you
yeah sure
nimpa eni me bo am fere se meka onu nim se bi ni no pa eni me bi o aka kire me nka ojomu da because it was not intended for public consumption and komo bi a oni obi di which is not intended for public consumption no be believe so okay obi gina hono wa ken sem bi akakakra
no but say we dey work can you say we nim po aka bi bia che na sa de na ehun na mu odu na won kan so de a say na
you can see intended for public consumption. That's why there's even the oath of secrecy. What is the meaning of that? enema bi wo fa Ghana ho a o man pani nka nso oka to you swear an oath of secrecy name so be him how to keep secret how can he be president
okay mema wa home so ye kasa sisi eye owura kwasi kwaten obepie mu Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ne campaign mu a odi mu tentema pa owura kwaten wo teme nka memo ache ba de chensoma so
abna mejo so kese pa
wo ho te say na pay
brother do me ho ye na wo so e
nyame addo me ho ye obi ka se me wo me fie o ena owura kwasi kwaten abo ewure mu mpacho amane
ma mencha me senior so lawyer penny nyina we look up to Honorable Bawumia Atta yɛm kɔra yɛtini dia na yɛhuhu ɔno mu bi na ɛyifa even from afar says you yes pursue law in some way somehow they've had an impact in our even though it may not be direct. Say several calls on some claims that I'm senior but they also said that the bonus so be a work bands when you have trade TA Lord, I dare due diligence. The when I would say, no one has him. Sakwan, what take any step as a lawyer. A basic. You see a senior for United. I will have some more kind. I will say, can say, a $2,500,000. No fire a whole title near Demra. I think say a beer, Kenya would take a crash 18 year. Kobu say, can a crown cassa. Video. So, mobile video on my TV for United. But can't actually say the fatalist. Ni panel cement for them. But to fee Hammond. None of all kind office, all call high office, $8,000.
Ora kwasi online ni chuchesi. What's in the panel so what to fee no high office man or now can be.
I'm just quoting Ken on what he said on your show.
Okay.
The video is them with him Obama I see for you now.
Okay.
The Ken can say ni panel cement bro for no. On to pay $500,000 a month.
Okay.
So Honorable Atta on car second in table for baby. So he was not referring to him. AKTM was no worker. And he no producers and make kind and I make so only video ni no moon to papa for. And Sakra ni be on TV so. But me name semi
Honorable Hammond mom nana Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Yes, you can play the video once again. I have it. My crop will be fine. Responded.
Okay. Ora kwasi kwati jinaso ni yembo video no.
Yes. Okay.
Me pacho hold on. Jinaso ma me producer. Jinaso producer about video no my.
I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Obianka de
Obianka. But me statistics me fire. They will run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once that touch and here, they catch us at Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? So me did try. I don't think I'm because at Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho cement brofu. Obia mente brofu. Between talk a dime $500,000 before time. AU village at the chew Emma would you rent or children and a net TV or $4,000 Emma who nyanza way. Obro funi na hala. Obi on tip of to me to down or reaction. Now no walk high no office or high. What more to a man me man $50,000. But I leave it to fate.
Okay, ain't na some no net to aswa. And a winning by baby a cutting point no ora kwate se wutie me say o cement brofo no mitimi
o say ya abla so te ya o say o ka Honorable Atta asem we Heathrow Airport no say obia de na baby cement brofo no na be na Honorable Atta ko dina baby say tenant brofo
okay
it's due diligence asem America
me ba ora kwate se wo share video na one will say ora Atta Mekaya maka Heathrow adentina all airports no manye Net2 so e flow ye
so we no say obia de you go dina baby cement bro for so tin here obia de referring to be a waka na ho asembone de you go dina baby cement bro no
sa de o cement bro for no na ora party meba sa de o cement bro for no eno na wo say no ye Honorable Hammond.
No, but any of the men America, the Muslim tea, or see will be added. You could not be cement for no me to a diamond to make a due diligence once. And Bemuno, any law be out there, I can forgive you as a journalist, but lawyer dear. Here you can't miss his due diligence. Who take you time? A shot dear kind year. There are any before so and then yaw and then be a better. I mean, Honorable Ken was your classmate. And to be behind the book on Scabba phones, the cool, our coming once and say, nah, and then a bassa.
Or Quatin, said yes, a see a wood chimney. I will cast your or can't say your cement brofono. Was Honorable Katie Hammond. What you need to say because Honorable Ken am bought Honorable Katie Hammond dinner and automatically with me, I can say then what the Mesa so the can't bone in beginning and or cancer man sana. The cement brofono ebe shame when Muntina.
Assuming that is the case, the Ben Honorable Atta a forecast can interpret. Your kind can become a motherfucker. Okay. Why will he even accept to say on one America?
Okay.
In the first place, and says, I let him put. So I'm okay. I'm within the NAPO. Daniel Semna. So, the Ben Waka can interpret.
Fair Honorable Ken, so what's here, Sammy and Yanko resolving no. A
friend one friend saying, yes, who classmates and not some of videos on I can't say, or no way to the young economics, the young of literature. It can from Swiniho. So you are for me, you said who in here. What I say, and you wouldn't Dr. Bawumia, or also Yandy, Catherine, so a friend, Minia, Nadia, and I watch him. But to stage an interview back to come and respond to him without due diligence. Therefore, we do something very honorable. Who go for you apologize. Okay. If you are feeding us, so I apologize to Kennedy. Move on. Who forgive you?
Yo, Matse, Ora Kwate Medase. Yo, Honorable Attachia.
As I say, as some way say, a bit comical, Kakrama, New York, as I say. It's a continuum. It takes his post-facto rationalization, I say, now on refer to me. Yes. You see, the flow of the conversation, you know, will leave everybody to the conclusion. Say, oh, Atatiana, or Kojo say 500,000 if you know. Can't you see the flow? And now, near Akono say, and Kwafone a dom drains are, it will share all social media. No, they show me, say, me here ungrateful. I all cast my Kojo in the Kojo near a friend say, a dom at the Atiapete. How can you say that this is out of context? If it's out of context, and yeah, what can say Uniano? And on your own Samra no day, or because he didn't intend to say Mia, they will be Hammond. Because you can't say the recording has been doctored. The recording has not been doctored. But if you look at the flow of what he said, what he has here. Everybody will come to the conclusion that Atachia and Wakoje 500,000 if you African or 777 or rent if you know my friends or Sergeant or Chehne. Not renting 4,000. Atachia no Akasa or if you're a lawyer, you know, be a lawyer new. The contest is also talking about a lawyer. And also a friend saying, me man 50,000. Send them you know correct. Many can end daily with these matters. So if therefore what he intended to say is not media, and I know I am a bonipa because he has spoken in the context pointed to me. Okay, Oka flow was semonobusia for Mayana Yona Yensan share video nibium said he is a I'm not going to respond to Ubia. I will not. To Bianca the Bianca. But me statism fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Media, I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once I touch on here, because you say Heathrow Airport. Why is there all airports in the world? Say me did try. I don't think I'm because Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho seminti brofu. Obia minti brofu. Between talk a dime $500,000 for 4 time. AU village at the chew. Emma would you rent or chihime and a native or $4,000 amount. We answer away. Obrofu in Hana. Obi on tip of to me to down reaction. Now no walk high no office or high. What more to man me man $50,000. But I leave it to fate. Mobian Canadian. Honorable. No, okay. No high office no. Oh high. In the contest higher office. Now on the office or high. He said that. So it flows from the beginning. If you want to bring a disconnect there, then come and explain. Say, oh, you didn't intend to say Yamia, but this context, how can you say Yamia? And ya Tatiana, may I expose you to Hitruno as someone. I know see a Toro Brani, Macachero, Semini here Hitru in this case, Kufuado. The person Kufuado the president. Now, Tatiana, Obia or so no, why $500,000 if he a free minsem. What is he talking about? Eti bi se no a me mpentokwa tantan. Asemo a wo ka no, me se enne mama okra no unya idea saying. Make say me I won't put you on the spot. What idea did you see say asemo kan no and now we interview no? It was referable to a third party, not the attacher in the context of the speech was making. Amen kofo asom.
Nti sa rental asem na buy no nana ate ochehene.
Ochehene ate. Ochehene ate.
No so rent bibi sa wo AU village ana.
Me nim near or about say or rent if the mean semos or rent if you be
no me chese ochehene a confirm say indeed or rent property bi sa e wo AU village.
On confirm on chairman so or rent property bi efi AU village because me and the man secretary say almost charge for money say me asem say minimum hwe a bibia say wato fi ache me a me rent ma no and I make catch mama me dey na make can say oche rent no there so oche import rent bibi so the visitors ba on meda ho ana say a infini me nsam.
Okay,
I want to say that clearly. Me no charge for call tenancy arrangement bi a me give $4,000 a month from me home.
And honorable can to fee be a
on top of me. I don't know. Who say afraid a friend saying the spokesperson Kwateno or so distancing off from the fast on top of. So what he's saying is ministering the whole Ghana say on top of. Now maybe you due diligence here. Due diligence Bena a bro a friend saying tape no need the context of the speech. And then madam Ibisa, no Kasane. Did you have an idea saying I was not referring to me?
They was say the beshe where you said you cement brofono. Enti senya wona wo kan say won te brofono they are then or refer to.
No can say I don't know about Katie Amodi. Why do you leave my name as a premise of your statement? Etwetwaswa efrihitu edanto onipa na lawyer or pay or person or to officers or rent officer in my 50,000. Now cause I feel there let's disconnect the statement.
It say there ora kwatin ababe chemu say a dino de no nyewo.
Enyame and ye can emra studio ha na onfro ono akase na muto say or person chere say ene na entiase na the kasa mu wantumi ankyere ase na enyame ya. The person can yes sir. How can you say me apologize? Me apologize over the obvious. Because say ono na no kasa na kan ye no ansisi so yie a ene o meka no French say oh atawe de enya wona na me kan o say efa efie bi a me toma wo because on to fie ma be da no so on to fie ma me na me say yeah ye misa evidence based engagement say okay what title did na anyway ha na no vendor no na de atoto and then me da nyame ase say afede obi backtrack say en to fie nche me say did no be to fie ache me ha generous is so obi to fie ache me atache
bo ankofo nyina hu party sika wodi hye mu
ono ka na hu nkofo ebo party ya kan anu atum say nkofo no mbo tonton sansan fa won ho no on your self announcement no it's not a mark of good leadership make a choro ne
it's not a mark of good leadership.
I tell you obi obo tonton sansan emu a obu a obi a opeso be ka chiri wi ase what kind of leadership is that you can't say I'm the prank cause I'm on tia say ana what's the meaning of that now nkofo wan ma MBBC ka waka anu atum
eburo ne dia wo dia mama
eburo no sokora won ye politicians ya so party ni mu a be se ne yanka no biji contract efi MPP mu na onya ho mfaso na ode boa nkrofo a eno ne yemfa ne si akonkon sika onya anu bebere na o kan nyina no evidence nche se ono so wagege contracts pa efi MPP ho
Oba say go confirm say
what is the problem
pickups e support into so onya contractor
enti o party boa now support o party a yemfa si akonkon na party ne emo ama e be na ko wanya bimpo no aboa party no
But say Yesu Kristo kro pass da.
Ah,
Nti so bi ade ai
me catch you say ebi wo ha o di kon penso bi a. Cause as say obi de oka. That's all pass there. Oh yeah, as if say it's a debt. Enye debt.
Nti o chere say the all year no mum chere say esa wo den o de party ne den kan
Of course. As if we owe him a living. But a lot of people have held. I have also held the party. I do say me can be before party no da na. Me nka.
So on the on wo chere the odi abonti on abodi na wo de.
Me nka da. Ehu ni fa so. O som wabusuafo a emfa nye tonton sansan. Utia obi ba school fees ma no enye tonton sansan. Udu obi call law school a enye tonton sansan. O toka che obi so fa nye campaign enye tonton sansan. Enye a mark of good leadership to do a self announcement. As if so project said, without you the party does not exist. But there are several people who have held the party, but they are quiet.
Dear Koso nyina a who leadership qualities, who presidential qualities honorable Ken we say ko base Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia candidate I was supported one winning honorable Ken winning as a flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Are you going to campaign? Are you going to support him?
Men took Ken in Chile. You be GBA and you know be on the ya boano. Me catch or say my faith, I'll say it. The fact say and then make us say media ubi Sammy and Nami here. I don't have confidence that he has even the emotional intelligence to lead MPP and by extension Ghana. No. It's a fact. And now Bas is out here. When I begin to fire what? Against your own family. If he demonstrated what I'm saying it here by a year will play, you know. And so yes, Obi Pese 777 Obi MAGI support too. Say Akufo Bebe no onye Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia but this is on your campaign. And if you need to repair your own system, I repair your own system. But I am glad say is imagine say on 2 year mami me need $50,000 in friends. And I also want to confirm I've never had any conversation with Ken concerning Akufo Addo ewo hitro
undi nana Akufo Addo
entre Kenda for what say them na meji film me campaign me Akufo Addo me the president. I thought say no be because okay ebi Akufo Addo yi ufi aban ni muti na bu afu no and na akoye Akufo Addo a kire Ken no is Akufo Addo kro me president. Does it sound logical to you? Is it not counterintuitive to say me say that say Akufo Addo e me president? At the same time Akufo Addo me president no because did in ho atem a kire Ken e wo hitro na hitro na ye a friend saying rally ground ana and then I me call the ho hitro e tro and on say kire say e tro na impo say ya no kra e show Ken ni soon in a buy Ken cannot keep confidential exchanges as it should be.
Okay.
Yes. It's tro. Na say opesa oka say no kure mpa ono aka say egu ne ho ani ma say. What is telling the whole Ghana is self-indicting. Granted say mama between me and you e din komo bi. E friend ben no komo what be that? Three four kasa we dey ben no komo. Obi etua ka we dey ben no komo. Obi a on to me en keep ben no komo. No feel say o me ton me dom no. O ye immature. Into sebe.
Abusofo honorable at Sammy Watachia and I no atwetwe nkomo honorable Mejawa Mwakuna waka say obi obebe including honorable Ken so two Frankandia over support.
Mental and Ken. What you say and Ken person ye did 2 million e wo Ghana shanisa onu ni obeye but me feel say late because send you make us akere we enema bebre wo ho a NDC for so twen onbebo pa me nya ni say NDC be campaign more than because and near Ken aka no on be playing to the whole world.
So be would you say near no mo betimi asesa Ghana for adwa mo ntoma.
Of course. Na say to me ya amampani me no. Mama me pese matwe aka obi because and me we obi ka ye me celebrate me bompa ye kwa ba so onturuma no mame. Mahama onye ye no. Akufo Addo kro onye ye no.
But so Yera Muhammad ye no obaye obepa ne chew. Atwe say obaye.
Eno ne easy no. Enye se watwe asan. Esu no onimu Esu edidi atem. You feel the president you. And the catch your playing. You feel the president.
Honorable, Mija wa mwako adie ben na wopese Ghana for the kai wo pa abra na wo ye wo mrahye bedwemu na wo san so eye lawyer ni mapapa nso niema be pa na wopese resonate wo Ghana for adwemu fa.
Me somo ya konojen. Be se me somo mawa. Me ni a prostitute's mind say as you say me go chebi ba me wo pa no. Me somo nipa oda akoma pa. Akufo Addo ko oni say me somo no pa. From when he wasn't the flag bearer to now. Number 2, menu could die. Say mama ye tuwe pa nanka ma betra studio ha fe me be twitwa tro ato kan so me nya ma wo da. Twitwa tro ento obi so. O be ka me sa. Afa so ye ka industrial. Hansard no ho. Onko he Hansard ne ma me ka ye e wo ho. Adwene mu asem a me de to ho. And no one so onya president obedi on chere ne ma won aka Hansard na they will be remembered for. Afa me ba machi abu akwa ma amfa boni amma obi minku ama ni dida edom edidi mi nsem ama bi no mo na oguso e kai se kaminya akura nka me ntoa adwuma na sa MP ya me kan se me de onyame na me de me life ama no ba se me tra studio ha na me be gu ken ni mu ase de onyame fa me boni che enti ensem no de se kan so epeso osisa na no o me kan se oh in fact conversation no anko yi bad say onipa no a eto fie ma nya wo a na fe ni obaji 50,000 nya wo a na ayefe okay na menya makuku duro se o kan na ne sa na waka de a ene me so bibie no a me woti a na si okay ba me mpese ene bloggers edi mi din atache na mo a se Ato fie ama me na modern leper me wura fi ni ken ye ma me na me twa na dapa enye no kore menye ken ho property da na make say title deed no way any ho but won say enya sa na oka na na appointed to another lawyer there and on so on messes na no ha na enya fe so na bloggers no yes any me nyina say na nya attach ya na ni mo nya mo mrem na me so fa ni mo nya ma no titia
mate honorable yeda sepa
I
was of honorable Samuel Attachia, a former member of parliament for Boakye South constituency.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.